Now, the community spread of monkeypox in England is raising some serious concerns, as the country has now recorded at least about 183 cases of infections in the month of May. Now, Britain's Health Security Agency has confirmed that there are at least about 190 cases of monkeypox in total in the United Kingdom. Monkeypox is said to spread through close contact, where the symptoms typically include a high fever and pus-filled skin lesions that usually subside after 2 to 4 weeks. According to the agency, out of the 190 confirmed cases in the United Kingdom, the rest of the cases have been identified, 4 in Scotland, 2 in Northern Ireland and 1 in Wales. While in England, 86% of the cases have been identified in just London. So far, most of these cases have been reported especially amongst individuals who are gay or bisexual or other men who have sex with other men. And most of these men are said to be in the age group of 20 to 49 years. But the United Kingdom's Health Security Agency has identified the possible source of the disease to some gay bars and saunas, and also the use of dating apps in Britain and abroad. Now, there are those who also traced the outbreak of the monkeypox infection to certain rave parties that were held. Now, at this point of time, though, it is difficult to pinpoint the exact source of these infections. Earlier, if any case of monkeypox had emerged outside of Africa, then the person with the disease was seen to have some kind of link to the African nation. But this time round, it is different, and this is what has caused a lot of panic in Europe and in North America. The Britain's Health Agency is working with different groups like the British Association of Sexual Health and HIV in organising drives to create awareness amongst people. Now, the vaccines that have been developed for smallpox have shown about 85% effectiveness in controlling monkeypox. The authorities in the United Kingdom are offering Bavarian Nordic's vaccine, Imvanex, a vaccine that is used to protect against smallpox, to people who have confirmed contact with the disease or are suspected to have come in contact with someone who may have had this disease. While the World Health Organization has confirmed that more than 550 cases of monkeypox have been detected in at least 30 countries outside of the African nations where the disease is endemic so far.
WHO is urging affected countries to widen their surveillance, to look for cases in the broader community. Anyone can be infected with monkeypox if they have close physical contact with someone else who is infected. The situation is evolving, and we expect that more cases will continue to be found. It's important to remember that generally, monkeypox symptoms resolve on their own, but it can be severe in some cases.
Now, the WHO is urging the affected countries to widen their surveillance and conduct target vaccination of those who are at risk of getting this disease. Now, Maria van Kerkhove, the WHO's leading expert on the diseases, has warned that no deaths so far have been linked to monkeypox infection yet, but that could change if the virus were to get into more vulnerable populations. WION is now available in your country. Download the app now and get all the news on the move.